exactly what to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it.
Good girl, pull it out. No, not the dollar. There you go. Pull the trolley out, big girl. Yeah, jump in.
Again.
Let's see if we can find it up again. Did you see the sign here?
I can see it right there.
There's one here too. Does it give you any clues? It doesn't. It just says he's 105, has pearly eyes, cheeky smile, North Napoleon, a red hat, enjoys long walks and snows, allergic to gingerbread. Why do we make gingerbread if he's allergic to gingerbread? He's brown hair and quiet natured.
Let's see if the other one has been for it to over there.
Upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the crust and swim down. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed.
You show me how good you are. Are you so clever? In the basket. No, you gotta find the barcode, remember? On the top. The numbers. Just there, baby. Are you gonna be good and eat that pasta tonight? Are you gonna eat some pasta tonight?
Yay!
Are you really?
Yes!
Doubtful. So she has her own YouTube channel now, and she sits there and goes, "Hi guys, welcome back to my channel."
Mom.
Don't you?
What?
Say, "Hi guys, welcome back to my channel."
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel.
I'm looking glamorous, aren't I? I am feeling like crap. I've had a really big day.
Pretty big day you have.
Have we? Yeah. Looking forward to going home, cooking and going to bed. Okay, so believe it or not, this is $216 worth of bloody groceries. It's killed me. This is a bargain of the century, which I'm eating for dinner tonight. So it's like a chicken breast bake. We have a Christmas function on the weekend, so that's why I've got those. These are like chicken nuggets in cool different shapes that were on special, so I got them. The mince is for the tacos. Then this is some of the stuff for that, and I also have doing like a vegetarian thing, so it's got these beans in it, and it's also got like the capsicum, which is around somewhere, and the zucchini and some of the cauliflower, so that's what that's for. And then I've got some more like snacking tomatoes. These here are like for snacks for me. The avocado will be for the vegetarian dish, because it's sort of like a Mexican-y similar, so it's fairly spicy. Dips for Talia for her snacks. She is obsessed in corn, so that's what she gets. She gets corn. This is for me, diced up cucumber. And of course I had to get these. If you haven't tried them, it's popping candy, and she hasn't tried it and she's going to be in love. What do you reckon Mr. Alfie's done? Whoa, did you hear that? Did you do that, Tals? Are you sure you didn't do that? Are you sure you didn't do that?
Sure.
That stinks. Can you smell it? Let's go have a look for him. Where is he? Are you a little bit scared of him?
Yeah. Ugly.
Okay, hang on. Ew! He's on the cat litter. Gross. It says, "What a strange looking toilet you have here, Talia. You don't poo in there. That's where the cats poo." Ew. We might leave him because he's been doing big fluffs. I think he's still going. Look, he's even got poo and a wee in there. Okay, Alfie, we'll leave you to it, but you know, next time use the toilet. Is he scary? Oh, sweetie. It wasn't meant to scare you. Do you think he's funny that he thought the cat litter was a toilet? Oh, sweetie. He's not scary. He's a good elf, remember? He's just a bit dopey. Isn't he? Is he a bit silly? Because he tried to cook Peppa Pig and thought it was bacon and eggs yesterday, didn't he? Hey, we haven't done our advent calendar. Do you want to go do your advent calendar?
Yay!
Let's go.
It's open.
See, you can't put him in the naughty corner because he gives you cool things. Come on. He's just a bit dopey. What did you get?
Hair clip.
Cool. You show everyone your hair clip.
This is my hair clip.
Yeah. Bit lucky, aren't you?
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, destined by the motion, loving this devotion. Live it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up where I'm going. Stay on the fly just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, destined by the motion, loving this devotion. Ooh, that sugar.
It's so good. Can you hear them popping? I reckon that's enough milk right now. That's what you love doing. Yum. So good, isn't it? Yeah, there's people everywhere. Look how busy it is, baby. There is just cars and people absolutely bloody everywhere today, isn't it? Alright, let's go. Look, there's one behind you. Did he scare you?
Keep it on repeat, destined by the motion, loving this devotion. Just my kind.
I'm back and it's about 2:15. So yeah, we just, as you saw what we did, and we also did go to one of the clothing shops and an op shop just to try on a few things. I have a wedding in a couple of weeks and I think I've just been to pretty much every shop I can think of to, you know, buy a dress. Anyway, this is just sort of what I picked up. It's not for the wedding either. Yeah, I know. So I thought I'd just show you quickly what I picked up. So I got a new pair of like 3/4 or half. Actually, they're like more like knee length, sort of like jean shorts. And they were only $4. So, you know, because I have put on that little bit of weight, I thought that if I get something like this and it is that tiny bit bigger, I can just donate it later on. And then I just got this plain navy blue dress. And yeah, $4 for that as well. So I can't go wrong, but yeah, I can't wear this to the wedding. unfortunately. It's a bit too casual, so dang. Back to the drawing board, isn't it? Anyway, I'm just gonna start prepping some food. So tomorrow I've got a Christmas gig on for a mother's group, so I'm just gonna prep that, and then I'm just gonna, you know, prep some stuff so if she wants a snack or something, we've got something while she's there.
I'll say this nice, tell it in a letter, stamp and mail it out. We did our best, couldn't have done better. I think we should be proud. But you held me down when I was living up. Back and forth, but never together. So I'll stand up.
Okay, so that was a big mission and a half. I'll actually show you what I've done. We're gonna go out for the evening. They've got like some carnival thing on in town, so I thought we'd go out. If Talia eats her veggies, we're gonna go out. If she doesn't, then we're not going anywhere. So I'm hoping she'll eat them in time so we can actually enjoy our evening, and we might even look at some Christmas lights. So we'll just see how we go for time. They do have fireworks there as well tonight too, but it starts really, really late, so we'll probably won't stay for that. We'll just maybe do some Christmas lights, look at Christmas lights and stuff. So
I want to stay for the fireworks.
and see how it goes, Talia. Might not. So yes, before I go, I have to have something to eat, and I have to clean up all this mountain of mess behind me. So the mess is really not that bad considering if you see how much I've done. I've pretty much put most of the stuff back in the dishwasher that can go back in the dishwasher.
It has to go back in the
I do have a couple of bits in there, but it's pretty good. Okay, so this is what I've done. This is all of our salads, like cut up salads and veggies and sticks and that for the week. And then I have our fruit. So this won't be a week. This is going to be like, you know, half a week. Probably only a couple of days, I'll be really honest. That's why I bought another watermelon as well. So I usually just buy 2 watermelons, but I only cut one up just to keep them fresh. And then I've got a cauliflower for the cauliflowered rice. And then I've got some veggies there for some veggies to go with the steak and stuff. And then also I want to make pumpkin soup, so I will make that. I just didn't have enough room in the fridge to prep that up. And then up here I have, this is literally just like heaps of grated veggies and stuff. So I'm going to make, if you guys have seen my cooking videos, I made a dedicated cooking video which had, I just basically get a roast chook, a heap of diced veggies, and then I put some egg in it and bake it in the oven. So that's that one. So I'm using the rest of the roast chook from the supermarket. And then up the top here, this was a vegetarian dish that I've got that I will be putting all together. So all I really need to do is add the black beans and like the sauces and the spices, and it can go on. And that is pretty much my food prepped for the week. And obviously this was the first one I did, which was for tomorrow. And look, the bench top is clean again. So happy. It didn't take very long at all, actually. Pretty proud. And yes, this is my dinner for tonight. Really not so appetizing, is it? Yeah, just a roast chook and some steamed veggies. And we're gonna head out, won't we? You excited?
I'm pretending my veggies are M&Ms.
So then,
They look like M&Ms.
that's a good idea, isn't it? So then you eat them quicker. Okay, it is summer, and I'm in a beanie and a coat because it is cold. It's supposed to be summer. I'm quite clearly living in the wrong town. Look at that one that goes, look at that one that goes up and down, Carl. Sorry. Gross. Oh, you can go on that one and I'll just watch, okay? Do you want to go on that one? No, it's a bit gross, isn't it? A bit yucky. What about this one with the mushrooms? You want to go on that one with Mummy? Yeah, okay. And then there's the dodging cars over here. Remember you said when we watched a movie the other night that you wanted to go on the dodging cars, didn't you? Dodging cars. I do. Ready? Are you ready to drive?
Yeah.
We're gonna smash them. We're gonna smash them. Isn't it so much fun? Go on, keep going. It's still your turn. Still your turn. Go, go, go.
From a distance, I wish you were here tonight. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I got you on my mind. Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. Oh, what I'd give to have you here, my dear. We could sing